Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on placing a call on hold on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Being able to place a call on hold is a great feature of Samsung phones and is super easy to do. Just follow the steps to learn how to do it. When you are on a call, tap the hold button with a pause icon at the top of the call options. The person on the other end will hear either a call on hold beeping sound or a message saying you have been placed on hold, please wait. You will be muted and they will not hear anything that you say until you tap resume call. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.